Okay, this video is for those who want to move to Italy for studies this year 2026. Okay, and there's one school in this country which opened its admission portals on the 15th of April 2025. Sorry, 2026, which is today. Okay, so if you want to move to Italy for studies this year 2026, watch this video to the end because I'll tell you guys what you must do to apply for this school and how cheap this school is. Okay, so please watch to the end, like the video, subscribe, and share the video if you haven't done so. Now, this school is specifically suitable for African students because it is extremely cheap. Okay, let's begin by telling you guys the tuition fee for this school. If you want to move to this school for studies this year 2026, please note this round is the second admissions phase. Okay, because the first admission phase ended in January, sometime in January. So we are now in the second admission phase of this school, which began on the 15th of April 2026, which is today. And just so you know, if you want to move to this school for bachelor's programs, this school might not be the best for you, okay, because so many bachelor's programs in this school are taught in the Italian language. Okay, just few programs are taught in English language for bachelor's level. Even Portugal also. Last time I made a video about study in Portugal, and I told you guys about bachelor's programs in Portugal. Okay. This is the same thing here. If you want to move to Italy for studies this year 2026, mostly for this school, please go for master's programs because we get more English taught programs if you go for masters. Now, the school is the University of Palermo in Italy. Okay, so expect to pay between 206 euros to 256 euros per academic year as tuition fees. Okay, even though some programs in this school might charge you high, but expect to pay as tuition fees between 206 euros to 256 euros as tuition fees per year. However, there's some money which you must pay in addition to these amounts. Okay, because normally you must show proof of funds, you must show some other fees. Okay, now what is the proof of funds to study in Italy this year 2026? As of now, the proof of funds is 6,947 euros as proof of funds to study in Italy this year 2026. So compare this amount in your local currency to know the exact amount which you must pay as proof of funds to study in Italy. Now, as earlier mentioned, just few programs are available for bachelors in English language. Okay, we have bachelors in nursing and some other few programs which are available in English language for bachelor's programs. That is why my best advice to give you guys is that go for master's programs. Okay, now the best thing about the school is that the school doesn't ask you for the IELTS results. Okay, so you can present a proficiency result from your school, your college, or your university. Okay, that is very much acceptable. Now, next thing that I want to tell you guys is that for Cameroonians, okay, please, for the visa process, you must know this. Listen very attentively because if you don't follow up this process correctly, they won't give you the visa to study in Italy. Okay, now for Cameroonians, for the visa process, you must use the Cimea comparability and Cimea verification. Okay, these are two separate ways which you must use if you want to apply for the visa application here in Cameroon and if you are a Cameroonian. Okay, now for Cimea comparability, you won't be asked to send your documents to Italy for verification. Okay, however, there are some fees that you must pay. Okay, but for Cimea verification, if you want to use this method, please listen very attentively. Okay, because I'll break it down step by step so that you understand the process appropriately. Now, for Cimea verification, you must send your files to Italy for them to verify it and evaluate it. Okay, now first thing that you must know is that go to your school back home, go to your university back home, tell them that you want your documents to be sent to a Cimea office in Italy. Okay, so they know how they'll do it. They will put your documents in an envelope, stamp it, seal it, and send it to a verified Cimea office in Italy. Okay, so once you get there, the Cimea officials will verify it and evaluate the documents if they are legit. Okay, so next thing that you must know is that here back home, you must contact the Italian embassy or you visit them to get the list of documents which are required. Okay, because obviously there will be some documents which you will need for the visa application, and these documents must be given to you by the Italian embassy here in Cameroon. So you must contact them or you must visit them personally. Okay, next step is that you must contact an embassy lawyer to get the process going. Okay, please, I'll leave a link down below. Those who are interested, go there and read all the information yourself if you doubt me. Okay, now if you are wondering, oh Stefan, please, how many programs are there for this school? There are so many programs in this school. Okay, so many programs, mostly for master's programs. There are so many programs in this school taught in English language. Okay, The school have masters in economics, masters in healthcare, masters in business administration, and so many other masters programs. Okay, so please visit the website and see it for yourself. Also, this school won't ask you to pay an application fees. Okay, even though they might ask you to pay these fees later, but for now, I've gone through the school website and I can't find anything concerning application fees there. Okay, so yeah, this school won't ask you to pay an application fees for now. Okay, now before I conclude, let me tell you guys some documents which you must submit if you want to apply for your visa application to move to Italy for studies this year 2026. So I'll be very fast. Okay, first thing that you must submit is that you must submit a degree of transcript. Please remember, if you want to go for bachelor's programs, most programs there are taught in the Italian language. Okay, I mean in this school. So for master's programs, you must submit a copy of your degree. Okay, your BSc degree. Next is that you must submit a CV, language certificate, be it your IELTS results or your proficiency from your school. Okay. Next document, statement of purpose, transcript of record, your international passport, a motivation letter, and so many other documents. Okay, so you must submit these documents if you want to move to this country because these are the required documents which you must submit for the visa application. Okay, so guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Please remember, this could open its application today, the second phase. Okay, which began today on the 15th of April 2026. So please apply as soon as possible. If you are watching this video now, please apply as soon as possible. Okay, because I believe that many creators also have made videos about this school. So many students around the world will be rushing to apply to this school as soon as they can. Okay, and remember, first come, first serve. So apply as soon as you can. Even today, if you can apply today on the 15th today, tomorrow 16, 17, 18, like within the first 5 days, that would be much preferable. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now. Thanks again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, share the video to your family, your friends, your loved ones, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Okay, bye.